Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I received this question. Someone want to know how to print from laptop to a printer. The printer I'm going to use to do this demonstration is Canon MG3650. This printer can print, copy and scan with this printer. To print your document from laptop to your printer, you need to make sure both laptop and printer are connected to the same network. So my printer and laptop both are connected to the same network. And to print a document, what you need to do, or print any particular file, you need to go to File Explorer. Okay, so go to the search bar. Okay, you will see just next to Internet Explorer, you need to select File Explorer, open it up. Okay, then you need to select where you save the file, specific file you want to print out. So my file that I want to print out, the document I want to print out is in the documents file. Yes, then select document, then you need to scroll down, okay, to particular document you want to print out. Okay, now got so many documents here, so this is the document I want to print out. Click it, open. Okay, you can see this document now is what I want to print out. Okay, and it's 2 pages. Okay, now to print it out, what you need to do, you need to select printer image on top. Okay, so you look on top, you will see printer image. Okay, so select that printer image. Select, when you select printer image, give you option for you to select the correct printer. So my printer is Canon MG3600 series. If you have different printer, then you need to scroll down and look for the printer. So I got several printers here. Some of them are offline, so but you need to make sure you select the correct printer to start with. So Canon MG3600 series is selected. Then the next thing is how many copies you want to print this document out. Then you need to select how many copies. After that, you need to select layout. So this document now is in portrait. You can have it landscape. If it's in landscape, then it will change the shape into landscape. But okay, let's have it in portrait. Then after that, the next thing you will see pages. Do you want to print all of them? If you want to print all of them document, then you need to select all. If you want to print odd pages only, then you select odd pages. Is like if you want to print 1, 3, 5, 7. If you want to print even pages, then you select print like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. If you want to print, like if you have 20 documents, for instance, and you want to print few, not all of them, you can select this. Okay, for you to select the page range you want to print, maybe 1 to 4, for instance. Okay, the reason why it's showing this is because this page we have here is only 1 and 2, so you can't select 1 to 4 when you don't have paper, or the document you are printing is not up to 4. Okay, so if you want, let's say 1 to 2, you won't see any warning sign here. Okay, so what I want us to do, we want to print all of them. Okay, select all. Okay, and the next is color. So you can select if you want to print this black and white or colored. I want us to print this, okay, colored. Now the next is to print on both sides. If you want to print it on both sides, then you need to select print on both sides. If you don't want to print on both sides, to print on one page, then you need to select print on one side only. So I want to print this on both sides. Okay, then the next thing to do is you can select more option. If you select more option, then you need to select the correct paper size you are using. The paper we have here is A4 paper. Okay, and you can also fit to printable or actual size. Then you select actual size. Okay, now then you select page per sheet, 1 page per sheet. Okay, now then the next thing to do is select print. Now this document is going to print out from here. Okay, sometimes you get this warning sign, select print. you get the warning sign if the paper is not loaded correctly. And see it's printing. Now we selected to print double-sided. This is why it's going back inside to print the second page. Printing double-sided will save you paper. Okay, so this is the document we printed out, colored. Okay, double-sided, colored, double-sided. Another way to print this document is for you to go to Image Garden. So this laptop and this printer is connected, okay, via Image Garden. So you can go to Image Garden, open up Image Garden, then you select print or print a photo. Once you select that, then you need to go to the side, okay, to select the document where you have it. From this PC, you can select this PC as well. Okay, if you have document from this PC, then you can also select desktop or document. Okay, when you select document, then the document you have on this PC will show up for you to be able to print it. Okay, so now these are the document I have on this PC. I'm just gonna open up this. Now this is the document I want us to print. Okay, to print out this document, what you need to do is you need to go on top and select file. If you go on top, select file, you need to make sure the document is open. Go on top and select file. When you select file, the next thing you need to do is select print. Okay, and it will start to dialog, so it's getting ready. Now the next thing is you need to make sure you select the correct printer from the printer setting. Okay, so check and make sure the printer you have showing up on the printer setting is MG 3600 series. Okay, and then the next is you need to select the paper size, which is A4 paper. Okay, now and paper source is from 3. Print range for you to select all or specific range of paper you want to print. Okay, then if you want to print only one page, you can also select page 1 only. So just okay, so for us to print only one page, so I'm going to select page 1. Then the next is advanced setting for you to select the quality, standard, high standard, or draft, custom. Okay, then once you've done that, select print. Now this document is going to print out. Okay, this is the document we printed out from the using Canon Image Garden. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. So these are ways to print out document from your printer. You can print out document depending on where you save the document. You just need to select it and look for available printer. Make sure you select the correct printer. Add the whether you want to print it double-sided or you want to print it even page, or make sure the document is in high standard, or whatever you want to do. Okay, or how you want the document to turn up or looks like. Okay, if you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. I received this question. Someone wants to know how to print from phone to Epson printer. This process is applicable to majority of the printers. What you need to do is you need to make sure your mobile device and the printer you want to use both are connected to the same network. And once you've done that, the next thing to do is to print the document. You need to go to the file on your mobile device. Okay, so this is my file. So go to the document, and now this is the select the document you want to print out. I'm going to select this document. So this is the document I want to print out. Okay, it's 2 pages of document. So to print it out from this printer, what you need to do, you need to go on top. You will see 3 dots on top. Select the 3 dots on top, and it will give you option. You will see page sorter, page view. Scroll down to the printer. Okay, select the printer, and when you select the printer, you see this image. You need to also scroll down to select the correct printer. Scroll down and look for Epson Workforce 2950 series. So select the printer, and it's getting ready. Once the printer is ready for you to print, you see yellow image with the printer image on top. Okay, the next thing to do is this printer document you want to print is 2 pages. So you need to scroll down, okay, to select how many copies, select color. If you want to print double-sided, you select a more option, and also select the paper. The paper we have here is A4 paper. Orientation is portrait. If you want it landscape, then you select. If you also want it to print how many pages, then you select the number of pages by selecting all pages or page range. Now also how many copies. If you want it, and the color, you select color. If you want to print it black and white, then you select black and white. This document will be printed in black and white or color. So we want to select color. Now the next option is for you to print double-sided. Scroll down to select double-sided, long edge or short edge. Okay, and once you've done that, then you need to hit print, select print. Use printer enabler, click OK. So this document now is going to print. It's now going back inside to print the second page. It's processing. Okay, so printing complete. This is the document you printed double-sided. Okay, now another way to print document from this printer is for you to go to Epson Smart Panel. This printer is connected to Epson Smart Panel, so go to the app. Go to the app. This is Epson Smart Panel app. Okay, then you need to go to print document. Select print document from the app. If you want to print photo, then you select print photo. So want to print document, select print document, and it's getting ready. Then you need to select the document you want to print. So go to the file and select the document and make sure it's PDF. If it's not this document you want to print out, then you need to go back again and select different one. Okay, you can see this one is another document, or you go back again. So let's print the first one. Okay, to print it out, you need to select print. Then it will give you option for you to select. The printer is already showing up WF2950. Then you select printing range. Okay, you can select all. If you want to print only one page, then you need to select or end page. Then you need to select. Currently, we want to print all. Then the next to do is you go back and select the paper. So A4 paper is what we selected here. If you want to print any other paper, then you need to select the paper you want to print from. Okay, and make sure you load the correct paper. So A4. Then we'll go back. Media type is plain paper. Layout is borders. Okay. Then source is real paper, and color is color. Two-sided print. If you want to print this two-sided, select print two-sided long edge, okay, and select how many copies, then select print. So this document now is going to print two-sided and in color. Now it's going back inside to print the second page. So this is the document printing complete. This is the document you printed out, double-sided colored. If you want to print it single page, then you select print and change the color to black and white, and also want to print it single page instead of double-sided, and select print. This document is going to print black and white and single page each. This is the first one. Brilliant. So this is the document you printed out, black and white, single page each. Okay, if you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. So this is how to print from this printer, from your phone to Epson printer. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you.